Well, today we're working on the blinkers. I got the hazards on, so you see this side, I've got all my hazards on, or my blinkers, well, both. But this side, yeah, that one's not on, and oh my gosh, this one doesn't even exist. And worse yet, I have to confess that, well, I took this one apart. It was not in great shape. What are we doing? We're putting in a new one here. So you can see, working on that side. Got one of these guys off of Amazon. Can't get it off. Bummer part is they are different ends, but it looks like you know, I can still wire them up just fine. So we'll take that. Should be working. Yeah, we're grounding out. So we're just gonna hook those in there. These should pop right in. Boom. We got good working tail lights. So for turn signals. But then I need to diagnose the turn signals on this left side are not working so great. The stock, there's something going on with the stock. I'll explain that here. Despite my better judgment, I'm going to record myself trying to get this in here. I kind of destroyed the last one trying to pull it out, but it's got this, looks like a locking ring and sealing ring, and then you put this inside it, and it's supposed to, I think, snap together and kind of compression fit once it's in there. There's a part that even says top. Let's see if we can get that in there. So first, just trying to get this ring all the way in there. Okay, it's in there. And then I think, just push it in. I think. There we go. Sometimes I feel like I'm not doing this right. Like there has to be an easier way. Because that is very snug in there. You know, I got a rubber mallet. We're going to try that. Alright, wish me luck. No go. You know, I wonder if there was direction I could have used. Certainly it's not going to go in that way. That's my dog raising hell over there. You know, I wonder if that was more likely it. Yeah, that feels right. Boom. Alright. You got to make sure you get that rubber piece all the way in there. Just boom, look at that. That's in there. Not bad for somebody who doesn't know what they're doing. There's both sides. Does it look like one's significantly brighter? I would say yes. I'm half tempted to replace them both. I'm going to grab something to eat and then see if we can handle the blinker situation. Alright, so we're back. We've ate something. Now it's time to figure out these side lights and the... so there's that one. I think I know I'm going to fix that one. And then there is this one. So we're going to change this one real quick. Oh boy. Ah, crap. That is stripped out. Oh boy. I've got an idea. Kind of got an idea. Alright, so my plan is to essentially cut some new slots in there. I might end up having to just cut a flat end screwdriver slot, but we'll see what happens. also got this. Ooh. Busted off my Leatherman earlier, but maybe that'll... Oh my gosh, that's perfect. Nope. Another pretty flat end on there. Let's try that. There we go. That'll do it. Boom. I'm just gonna find a new screw about that size. Might have to just take the whole thing out. Okay. Huh. Yeah, I wonder if the filaments. Nope. That's dead. I'm wondering if it was the filament that was. Wondering if I got a bad ground in there. Trusty old Leatherman here. It's so weird. I mean, it's working, so it's not that the bulb is out. There's a bad ground in there somewhere. I'm pretty sure. Screw that down. Yeah, we gotta figure out what's going on there. We gotta find a different screwdriver. Try a couple of different screwdrivers here, see if we can get this to come out. Oh boy. Just keeps camming out. I think I'm gonna have to drill it out. I think that's the only way that's coming out. I'm gonna drill it. Alright, got that off. We'll just put a screw in the other hole there. And I noticed what they do on these is they only put screws in one or kitty corner to each other. So I think that's so that when something like this happens, you got the other one ready to go. That's smart. Alright, hazards are on. Nothing's happening. In my mind, that's a good sign. I'm guessing there is no contacted ground here or something. Yeah, look at that, see? Okay, so the ground wire became disconnected on this one. Look at that. Alright, so that's our issue. Oh, I love... No, I don't want to reuse that crimp. Save some of the wire. Because what if we got to do something like this again? Interesting, interesting. Not only is the ground bad there, so that's good ground. That is bad ground. Is that good ground anywhere? So this is bad. That ground is bad somewhere in there. Wherever that goes, it does not go to a ground. So, what do? Do we make a ground point in here. Kind of tempted to, but that could corrode. That's probably why it's in a wire to go all the way back there. All right, so I've been putzing with. Oh, did I lose my screwdriver? All right, so my blinker switch, which I've taken apart here, was not working right. So this side, so turning right, would work fine. I'll activate that here. You can see that activates those lights, and I can see the glow there. So it's working there, and I think we'll be able to see here when the left side goes. So I'll activate the left side now. You can see that side works, and you can see, hopefully, in the mirror there, what's going on. So here's how I fixed it. Let's see if we can do this here. So I don't know if you can see, there's a little, I made a little, just a little indent right here in this pressure switch. What was happening, it was just barely getting touched before. Actually, now it works fine. I don't know. It was actually making like a some kind of noise before, but this just wasn't getting depressed as far as it needed to be. Now there might be some kind of bigger problem with this switch, but for right now, it seems like we're working. So I just got to get that other one put on there. But so I'm gonna get this all buttoned back up. There's a whole bunch of screws there. Sorry about the other video working outside. I didn't realize it, but the memory card got full. But long story short, I was able to get that one back on, and it's good to go. So now just taking care of this thing here, and I think our safety issues will be taken care of. So then we can get on to fun stuff. All right, bye.